They're trying to make you feel like you should just give up, take your blood in the zone, come what may. They use cruelty and hatred to divide us. They're trying to break your spirit every day. Well, fuck that. Here's what to do instead. Flood the zone with happiness, flood it with compassion, overwhelmed with art and joy. That's how we'll surpass them. They have strategy designed to distract you, to make you feel disheartened and depressed. They want you to believe that they have all the power, that you're just a pawn in the game of chess. Well, fuck that. Here's what to do instead. Flood the zone with happiness, flood it with compassion, overwhelmed with art and joy. That's how we'll surpass them. When they flood the zone with shit and you're not sure how to counter it, all you need's just a little bit of joy. When you choose to create instead of feeling hopeless or irate, you'll unleash something great, oh boy. So go on and unleash all that hope and joy. Flood the zone with happiness, flood it with compassion, overwhelmed with art and joy. That's how we'll surpass them. That's how we'll surpass them.